Tired of distractions? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to change your world with unmatched, industry-leading noise cancellation. Imagine silence in a bustling cafe or airplane. These headphones create your personal oasis, silencing the world around you like magic. And you won't be constantly searching for a charger. With an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music and calls last all day, and then some. Switch seamlessly between your laptop and phone with a convenient multipoint connection, making multitasking absolutely effortless. They're not just about features. The XM5S boasts a sleek, comfortable design perfect for long listening sessions or all-day wear. These are premium headphones designed for anyone seeking the ultimate audio experience without compromise. If you're ready to upgrade your audio, find the best deal on these amazing Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones using the Amazon link in my description below. Forget interruptions and embrace pure sound. The intelligence behind their noise canceling adapts to your environment for truly personalized quiet. For travelers, remote workers, or anyone who values pristine sound and peace, these are easily the best noise-canceling headphones to buy in 2025. Don't miss out. Click that link and experience the Sony WH-1000XM5 difference today.